Cash App check deposit. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can deposit check on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to deposit check on Cash App, all you have to do is simply launch Cash App and make sure that you're signed into the account. Tap on the home icon from the bottom left of the screen, and right here under more ways to add money you'll find checks. So you can just tap on the checks option, enter the amount that you would like to add to the check, then just tap on confirm amount. Then once done, you can confirm the front side of the check by simply scanning it, tapping on scan, then simply scan the front side. After you take the front side, you can just repeat the process for the back side as well. Then after you've done that, you need to be able to submit it, and once Cash App approves it, your Cash App check will get successfully deposited. This way you can deposit check on Cash App. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries, doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.